Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, September 14th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we're having cereal possibly, and for lunch, beef faroni. Tomorrow for breakfast, French toast, and for lunch, pizza pocket. Attendance, please continue to post attendance in Schoology. We almost have everyone listed in there, so we are getting very close. Masks. Students and teachers are required to wear masks at all times other than eating. Students, the mask is a part of your uniform. You must bring one to school with you each day. Make sure that you have one when you leave the house. That is your homework every night, to come to school every day with a mask. Make sure you are doing your job. Today's late duty is Miss Moore, tomorrow Miss Heischman, Thursday will be Miss Waller, and Friday will be Miss Shaver. Important dates. The iReady Reading and Math Diagnostics are due on September 17th. I believe we have almost everyone finished up with those, so that is great. September 21st, we have blood drive on campus. September 22nd, we have PST meetings. October 8th, we have the last day of the first quarter. October 11th, we have Teacher Work Day, which is no school for students. And October 12th, we have the start of the second quarter. We have the school fundraiser going on right now. Make sure you give your envelope to your parents, send email invitations to friends and family, write the prize code on the envelope and bring it on back to school, and you will be able to collect your prize. Teachers, you can continue to put these envelopes in your red snack bag. We have passed out all the little animal things that we have at the moment, but we have more ordered, so they will be on the way very soon. And as soon as we get those back in, we will start passing them back out again. Good job, kiddos. You won so many prizes, we had to order more prizes. The word of the day is denominator. Whoo, that is a big, long word for a little tiny thing. The word of the day is denominator. The denominator is a part of a fraction. It's a number in a fraction. It is the number written below the line in the fraction. It tells how many equal parts are in the whole. So in the example it shows there, it has a 1 and a line and a 3. Okay, so that's a fraction. That fraction is called 1/3. The 3 is the denominator. Sometimes we help ourselves remember that by thinking about the denominator being the number that's downstairs. And those both start with a D. Denominator is downstairs. So the denominator tells how many equal parts are in the fraction. So this fraction is describing 1/3. That means that one piece out of 3 is the value that it's talking about. It is the equal parts of the whole. So remember, the denominator is the number on the downstairs of the fraction. We have a shout out today. Shout out to 4th grade, recognized by Ms. Linscomb. The 4th grade classes had the most time spent in Waggle last week and earned the most points. Way to go, 4th grade. Now, of course, that title is up for grabs for this week. So let's see if a new grade level can pull into the lead and spend some time in Waggle this week. So this year, we're going to do our iReady and reading, and we're going to do our math in Waggle, which is a little bit different, but I know our students are going to do great in both programs. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Shepherd Scholars.